Recall alert: Hyundai Palisade and Kia Telluride units have been recalled. More than 281,000 Telluride as well as Palisade units have been recalled. Stop sale on units not sold. Owners are able to drive them. A faulty wiring harness causes fire. 1 second, before we start the video, kindly subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us to make more videos like this. Your support is very important for us. Only you can help us to reach the next milestone. Now, let's get started. Few vehicles have experienced more success overnight on the US market than Kia's Telluride or Hyundai Palisade. The two mid-size SUVs took the market with a vengeance in the year 2019 and both received a makeover in 2023 that will continue to dominate sales. But a new recall notification coming from NHTSA might be the start of a major problem for these two vehicles, or at the very least more significant than a smelly interior. Hyundai Motor America and Kia America suggest owners of specific models in the 2020 to 2022 timeframe Telluride as well as Palisade models put their cars outside in a safe distance from buildings and homes in order to avoid a fire risk, but owners may continue to drive the vehicles. A stop sale has been set on the books for unsold units at dealerships that could be affected due to the recall. The recall specifically targets the 245,030 Hyundai Palisade as well as 36,417 Kia Telluride vehicles with an accessory tow hitch installed by the dealer. If your vehicle does not have the tow hitch installed, it's likely not affected by the recall. However, it's worth checking the 17-digit identification number of your vehicle at the NHTSA website. To identify all vehicles equipped with potentially affected tow hitch wiring harnesses, all model year 2020 to 2022 Palisade vehicles sold in the US are expected to be involved in this recall, Hyundai declared in its recall notification. It is believed that the South Korean automakers, which are both part of the larger Hyundai Motor Group, say moisture may get into the harness module, which can cause the short circuit to occur. In certain cases, the short circuit could cause a fire in a vehicle when driving or in a parking spot. As of now, there are no crashes, fires, or injuries associated with this issue within the US. The recall population was determined by a review of vehicle production and part sales records. Kia installed the 4-pin tow hitch harness as a port installed option, PIO, for the 2020 MY Telluride. The 4-pin tow hitch harness was discontinued as a port installed option at the end of the 2020 MY Telluride production, the company announced in its recall announcement. Kia installed a 7-pin tow hitch harness as a PIO beginning with the 2021 MY Telluride. A total of 27,744 model year 2020 Telluride vehicles are equipped with a port-installed 4-pin tow hitch harness. Based on part sales data, a total of 8,673 4-pin tow hitch harnesses were sold to Kia dealers for potential installation as a dealer-installed option, DIO. Although exact VINs are unknown, these DIOs could have been installed in a 2020-2022 MY Telluride vehicle. The vehicles subject to this recall were not produced in VIN order. Hyundai dealerships provide an interim fix for the Palisade that involves examining the tow hitches module and taking out the fuse. This is an interim fix as it is likely to be difficult to connect the lighting for the trailer without a fuse. Strangely enough, this simple solution isn't offered for the Kia Telluride. The recall repair is under development, the NHTSA stated in an announcement. When a repair is available, all owners of vehicles potentially equipped with affected trailer hitch wiring harnesses will be notified by mail with instructions to bring their vehicles to a Hyundai or Kia dealer. What do you think about this? Let me know this by commenting below. I would love to see them. I can go through your comments and share my feedback. Thanks for watching this video completely. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thanks again, have a great day.